Hello, in front of me I've got Honor X7. In this video I'll show you how to add different types of cards to Google Wallet. In the beginning, let's enter Google Wallet. Tap Add to Wallet and focus on Transport Pass, Loyalty and Gift Card. Firstly, let's enter Transport Pass and select transport pass you would like to add to your Google account. Then you will be redirected to a website where you have to finish the inside form. Next, let's select Loyalty and select loyalty card you would like to add, for example, Payback Poland. Now you can scan your card or enter details manually, then simply select Add to Wallet. In the end, let's select Gift Card and similar to Loyalty Card, select Shop. Enter card number, PIN, balance, your notes and tap Add to Wallet. All of your cards will appear right here on the homepage of Google Wallet. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.